Hi, Nick from Solution World of Clean. To those that have been watching the videos, thank you very much. One comment that was made, so just please note, I now have corporate wear on. Somebody noticed I was wearing a different t-shirt, so thank you very much, and hopefully you'll be happy now. I'm going to talk to you today about final phase. It's our acid rinse. It's also a debrowning prescription and a dye fix. So if you're going to use it as an acid rinse or a neutralizer, it dilutes at 7 ml per litre through the machine. If you want to use it for debrowning, mix at 1 to 50, treat the stain or the mark that you're dealing with, and leave it for 45 minutes. Then mix at 1 to 150 and rinse using your machine. You're not cleaning out browning, you're causing a chemical reaction to reverse it. So the 45-minute dwell time, very, very important. It also contains a nice anti-corrosive, so it keeps your pump clear, descales it, keeps all the internals of the machine nice and clean in terms of your flow pipes to your pump. As a dye fix, hope you're taking notes, if you're pre-testing, let's say a rug, and you get some dye migration prior to cleaning, you need to fix that dye in place. If you use final phase, and it's normal dilution, 7 ml per litre, treat the area that you're having a problem with, leave it for 10 or 15 minutes, and then retest with the product you think you're going to clean with. If it's fixed the dye, great. If it hasn't, you either retreat again and retest, or you may need to look at the product you're choosing to clean the item with, i.e. you need something with a lower pH.